going to show you how to install and program using Python in Android. First, install termux-setup from Play Store. Link for app in description. After installing the app, open the app. Termux is basically Linux terminal for Android. You can run Linux commands, that is bash commands here. Type termux setup storage to give storage permission. A pop-up will appear. Click allow to give storage permission. Now let's install Python. To install Python, type pkg space install Python. This will install the Python and its dependencies. Okay, in my case I am already installed Python. After installing, to start Python interpreter, type Python and press enter. It will start the Python interpreter. Let's check it. See, it works. To exit from Python interpreter, type exit, open bracket, close bracket. Okay, I am going to create a Python file and run it. Touch play.py. Touch is a command to create a file and the file name is play.py. You can see. Okay, touch hello.py. You can see hello.py in white color. We need a editor to edit it. So let's install nano. Type package install nano. This will install a basic text editor. Okay, now type nano and space the file of name of the file. In our case the file name is hello.py. hello.py. Okay, to save press Ctrl S. Ctrl S will save. To exit press Ctrl X. Now let's run that Python file. Type Python space and the name of the file. In our case it is hello.py. Press the tab button here. It will automatically complete. See, it is completed. Oh, okay, it is running good. In this way it is tough to edit Python files, so I am going to show you a code editor app to edit our code. Let's install the app. The app name is Hey Code. You can install it from Play Store. Type a code and install it. After installing, open the app. We need to add access to termux. You cannot access the files inside termux, so in using this app we can access it. Click open folder, click the plus icon and click add path button. I'm going to name it termux. You can name it whatever you want and click select path. Click the menu button in the left side. You can see internal storage, SD card and termux. Click termux and click select button in the right bottom. Okay, now we added the path to termux and select folder. Now we want to edit hello.py. See, here we can edit it easily. It has a pretty syntax highlighting. It has many themes. Now change the print hello to hello, welcome to Ignites, and save it. Now run the same command. Now you can see hello, welcome to Ignites. That's it. You can use Python in your Android.